How to hide likes on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to hide your likes on Facebook and not see the other likes as well, here is a tutorial on how to do it. So without any ado, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure you have the latest version of Facebook installed. After that, launch the application and head over to the profile icon. Tapping on it, go to settings by tapping on the gear icon, which is on the left of the search bar. Once that is done, scroll down and under preferences, tap on reaction preferences. Tap on reaction preferences and then you will see this page. Here are two options. First one is hide reaction on post from others, which is when toggled on, you won't see the number of reaction on post from other people in your feed. Second option is hide reaction on your post. When enabled, only you can see the number of likes and reactions on your post, others won't see this information. Toggle one or both based on your preference and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.